Hate the hand pain from pruning your garden? What if you could cut thick branches like butter without any strain for just $30? These Ratchet Pruning Shears are a game changer, and I'll show you why. Hey garden warriors, welcome back to SmartBloom, your ultimate gardening guide. I'm your favorite YouTuber, here to make your gardening life easier. Today we're diving into the Ratchet Pruning Shears by the gardener's friend. Want pain-free pruning tips every week? Hit that subscribe button and join the SmartBloom crew. These Ratchet Pruning Shears by the gardener's friend are a must-have for any gardener. For just $30, they feature a heavy-duty non-stick steel blade, a 3-stage ratchet system that boosts your cutting power by 3 times, and an ergonomic rubber grip. They cut branches up to 1 inch thick, perfect for shrubs, roses, or small trees, without straining your hands, even if you've got arthritis or weak grip. Here's how these pruners make pruning painless in 3 easy steps. Step 1, squeeze lightly, the ratchet kicks in to multiply your power. Step 2, cut in stages, no need to strain even on tough branches. Step 3, enjoy clean cuts, the non-stick blade slides through like butter, it's like having a superpower for your garden. Let me take you to my Florida garden. I was pruning my rose bushes and my hands were killing me after just 10 minutes. Then I grabbed these ratchet pruners, and I pruned for an hour with 0 pain, thanks to the ratchet system. Pro tip, oil the blade with the included sponge to keep it sharp longer. Some users say the lock can be tricky at first, so practice sliding it with your thumb. These are great for deadwood, but for soft green stems, use a bypass pruner instead. Bonus tip, wear gloves to avoid blisters during long sessions. Here's why I'm in love with these pruners. Pros cuts thick branches with ease, reduces hand strain by 3 times, and the non-stick blade stays sharp for ages. Cons, the lock takes practice, and it's not ideal for soft green stems, but trust me, pruning has never felt this fun. I feel like a garden ninja. Do you struggle with pruning pain? Share your story in the comments. I'm all ears. These pruners are perfect for gardeners in the USA, EU, or Canada who deal with tough, woody branches. Think roses, shrubs, or small trees. They're a lifesaver if you've got arthritis or weak hands. Not the best for soft green stems or delicate plants, though. Ready to prune without pain? Grab these Ratchet Pruning Shears on Amazon for just $30. Link below. What's the toughest plant you've pruned? Tell me in the comments. I reply to everyone. Loved this video? Hit like and subscribe to SmartBloom. We drop weekly gardening hacks to keep your garden thriving and your hands happy.